Alright, y'all, so we have not forgotten to make videos. We have run into an issue. Someone, not going to point fingers, ate the camera with the SD card in it that had half my videos that I'd made already. So, this video that you're about to watch, it was all I had left. We will, this weekend, I'm hoping to get everything caught up that I've done lately, because there's been quite a few things that have been done since this video, and I had done videos for them, but they were on that SD card. So we are doing best we can, but we just got back from vacation, so that was over the last weekend. We didn't have time to do anything because I worked the day before we left and I worked the day after we got back. So, not really a whole lot of time to do much. And the truck was in the shop the day that we left because I was getting a line because we took it with us. We went out of town and we drove the truck, which everything in this video that y'all see made the truck ride really well. I'm happy I did it before we left, and it was all well worth it, but it was what it was. So, hope y'all like this video, and sorry it's been 2 weeks since the last video, but I'm doing better. I told you I'd do better, so here we go. Hey guys, what's going on? So, we have been fairly busy lately, which is why this video is just now getting made. But it's not been busy with random stuff. I've been gathering parts for the truck for this weekend. Last weekend was Easter weekend, so, you know, spent time with the family. And I had to get some stuff taken care of that had to be done. We have been getting parts to rebuild the front end of the truck. So the front end, it's getting worn out. Last time I did it was in 2014. So it's been a while, almost 4 years since I did it, 3.5. The tires were not practical anymore, so we got new ones. They are on the truck now. So I went with the set of the Hankook Dynapros, the ATs, not the MTs. So I love these things so far. We've been driving to and from work, which it's about a 30-minute drive without traffic, and they've made a difference in the last week that I've had them on. So I will be selling the old tires. I don't know when yet. I don't know how much, but they will be getting posted probably on Facebook, local. I don't want to ship them. So we've been getting shocks are coming, ball joints already got them, tie rods, bushings, and what else? I think that's it for now. We oh, brakes. Sorry. We just did the wheel bearings about a year ago, so there's no reason to do them again. Not right now. They're not bad. At least as far as I know, they're not bad. So we'll check them when we get everything off. We're going to do some painting, try and get everything cleaned up, make it look pretty again, and stuff like that. So right now, I just got off work not too long ago. Got home, spent some time with the wife, and we got to take my radio out. So I know in one of the past videos I told y'all I put a new radio in. I put it in with the backup camera, all that kind of jazz. But something is wrong with the unit, so I have to send it back to JVC. It's under their warranty plans, and we're going to do that. Just got to take it out. I've already started halfway. I don't know how much y'all... There you go. I know y'all can see that. So I took the fascia off. There's the unit. I'm going to take it off. I'm going to put the old one back in while we ship this one out, which the old one was a single din. So it's going to look out of place for a while. But it's gonna look out of place because it's getting fixed. We haven't done a whole lot lately, I know, but things are coming, change is coming, hoping for the better. I'm going to get this stuff taken care of real quick, and I guess I will put this on time lapse. Hey guys, so when I left off with this video, I started a time lapse, but my camera fell over and I never realized it, so I figured I'd just drop it. So, got the new radio, or old new radio in. It is a single DIN going in a double DIN slot for a minute. It's not permanent. Don't give me too much crap for it. It's just until we get the old one fixed. And running a new wire for the antenna. I'm using a CB antenna for it. And so I run it underneath the carpet to the back of the truck where the antenna goes. And it quickly turned from, let me just go ahead and run this wire, into, well, I'm currently missing most of my interior. So, yeah, this is not what I had planned for today, but, well, I'm not complaining too much because I'm getting new speakers, Kenwoods. I've had them sitting in the house for a while, just haven't had time to do it, and, well, I guess now it's better than ever. So, I have the 160 watt Kenwoods Performance Series, and they're just supposed to be pretty well factory replacements from what I had, and that's about it. Nothing special. We taking this interior apart, I've done it so many times by now. I did it in like 5 minutes. That was it. So no big deal. I'm gonna go ahead and get cracking real quick on this interior and try and get this speaker back in and everything hooked back up. So I'll see y'all in a few minutes. Bye. Hey guys, what's going on? We're back, and we've been working on the truck. I didn't think to record it until just now. So what we've been doing, I told you we've been doing a bunch of work to the truck, and that we had a bunch of stuff coming up. So yesterday we tore apart the front end. New ball joints, new tie rods, and everything. New hubs, new brakes, new brake lines, and what am I forgetting? Sway bar, bushings, stuff like that. So starting to put everything back together now, and we did a little bit of painting while we were at it. So as y'all know, the truck's theme is green and black. So got the spindle fresh coat of black, the coil springs now black, and the upper control arm and lower control arm are now green. So that's where we're at. The sway bar still ain't in. I've been working on putting this back together. So that's what's going on. And I did get the radio installed. I know I said I was going to record that, but in the middle of recording it, I noticed that the camera had fallen over. So here's the head unit in. I know it looks like crap, but it's the best I can do with what I got. So until JVC, I get my stuff sent off to JVC, which I can't find that email from them, so I'll have to make a phone call tomorrow when they're open. But that's what's going on. I'm gonna put the camera down and go ahead and get back to work working on this stuff and get it put back together real quick. Alright, so I hope you liked the video. We definitely will be trying to do something soon. Don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Help me get some more subscribers. I know I'm trying to do better, so help me get there. Y'all have a great night. We got to be up early in the morning for work, so y'all have a good one. Bye.